A movie from the 90s that really redefined a lot of trends back then was Dil Toh Pagal Hai. And not just the female characters played by Madhuri Dixit and Karishma Kapoor, but even Shahrukh Khan's styling was on point. So today we're breaking down Rahul's look from the movie Dil Toh Pagal Hai. Hi, I'm Shikha and you're watching Fashion at the Movies. Since Rahul was a performer, his looks were very loud and vibrant. He was not afraid to play with colors, prints and textures. He played with a lot of textures. From velvet to satin to corduroy to chiffon, he was seen wearing all fabrics. He would usually wear velvet blazers or velvet waistcoats over his basic t-shirts and shirts. For corduroy, he would pick chunky, oversized corduroy jackets. They would have a double pocket detail and he would wear them in interesting colors such as an olive green or a burnt orange. As for chiffon, he was wearing a lot of chiffon shirts which were see-through and oversized. For the bottom, he was seen wearing the classic high-waisted 90s jean, which he would cinch on the waist with a broad belt. As for his footwear, he stuck to classic boots and sneakers. Of course, if you're trying to recreate his look, I'd say taking inspiration from his casual looks and not his formal looks, which is exactly what we're doing on our model today. So let's call him in. So as you guys can see over here, we've played with textures as well. I feel like this is a look that if you're a little bit more mature, you'll be able to carry off really well and it'll be an interesting break from your boring outfits. So we've started with a basic t-shirt over here on the inside. Since Shahrukh's character did not shy away from wearing bright colors, I've picked a nice blue instead of going for a neutral hue. But for the trousers, we've kept it neutral with a pair of beige trousers that have a bit of a wide fit, which is reminiscent of the 90s. And then adding that texture which Shahrukh's look always had, we've given a corduroy jacket over here which has a double pocket detail and a zipper over here to make it look a bit more stylish and modish. We've finished the entire look with a pair of brown boots because his character mostly wore either sneakers or boots, and considering the look and feel of this outfit, boots definitely look better. So that's Rahul's look for you, in sync with what you can wear today. I'll see you next time. Bye. Today we're talking about Shahrukh Khan's look from the movie Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Hi guys, I'm Shikha and this is Fashion at the Movies. The narrative of the movie is split into two timelines, one where he's in college and the other one where he's working and has a daughter and he dresses age appropriately. Today we're talking about his college looks. There are two main elements that were really popular in his college looks. One was logo mania and the second one was his accessories. He was seen wearing a cool necklace and he dressed really cool as well. He wore big flashy brands with big logos such as Speedo, a yellow puffer Tommy Hilfiger jacket that he wore with a white t-shirt and basic jeans. He was also seen wearing an oversized red Gap hoodie which went on to become very popular. His other looks included really cool college-going styles such as varsity style t-shirts, Letterman jackets, jeans. For his footwear, he mostly wore Converse shoes. Drifting away from these logo t-shirts and jackets, for his entry scene, he was seen wearing a printed shirt. It was Friendship's Day in college. He wore his printed shirt with a couple of buttons open and a cool necklace along with jeans and sneakers. Now let me show you guys how we are recreating just this look. So let's call our model in. So on Manoj over here, we've started with this really cool abstract printed shirt that has a burst of colors on it. Tie and dye is a really popular trend and this sort of abstract watercolor print is kind of an extension of it and looks really cool. And it looks a little bit more mature than the cartoon print that Shahrukh was seen wearing. So this shirt's definitely more wearable. We've paired it with a pair of ripped jeans and like I said, accessories are very important when dressing up like Shahrukh Khan. So what we've done over here is given this leather pendant instead of the cool neck piece that he was wearing. We've also given a couple of bracelets over here. He wore this printed shirt look on Friendship's Day and he was getting a lot of friendship bands from all the girls in his college. So we've accessorized with a couple of bracelets instead. We've also given a pair of brown boots and a brown belt to match that and finished the entire look for that cool factor with a pocket chain over here. And that's how you can dress like Shahrukh Khan from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. A character that introduced men to winter dressing was Shahrukh Khan's character from Mohabbatein, where he played the role of a professor we wish we all had. Breaking his look down, his signature look consisted mostly of him wearing either a shirt or a sweater with a pair of chinos or trousers, and then he would layer a sweater or a cardigan resting over his shoulder. he would either leave the sleeves open or tie them up in the front to make it a little bit more interesting. He also triple layered very often, where he was seen wearing a V-neck t-shirt with a sweater layered on top of it, and then again he left a sweater or a cardigan over his shoulder with chinos, of course. For his footwear, he was mostly seen wearing formal shoes, and he did not wear many accessories, but one signature piece in his look that went on to become iconic was his oval black rim glasses. Other forms of layering that he did was he was seen wearing a chunky turtleneck with a wool blazer or coat and trousers, of course. In terms of his turtlenecks and coats, he wore a darker color turtleneck and then layered it with a lighter coat to create a contrast. So let me show you how you can recreate Shahrukh Khan's look from Mohabbatein. Let's call our model in. So over here I've created a look that's perfect for office wear in the winter season. We've started with a pair of light wash trousers, keeping in mind Shahrukh's color palette was mostly pastels, creams and light colors. Then we've triple layered over here, just like Shahrukh Khan. I've started with a white t-shirt in the inside and then given an olive green color shirt and then layered the look with a navy sweater. Now leaving the sweater over the shoulder is Shahrukh's signature look, but it's a little passé and also not practical in the winter season. I mean, it doesn't give you any warmth by leaving it on your shoulder. So instead we've made him wear it over the shirt. I like how the navy and the olive creates a cool contrast. It's a color combination that every guy should try. As for accessories, we've kept it pretty classic. We've given a watch that matches the olive shirt and also adds a little bit of preppiness and flamboyance into the look, and finished it with a pair of formal shoes. And that's how you can dress like Raj from Mohabbatein. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Today we're talking about Shahrukh Khan's look from the movie Kal Ho Na Ho, where he played the character of the lively and flamboyant Aman. Now, one distinctly different thing about Aman's styling was that he was seen wearing a lot of V-neck necklines, which is something that we don't see men wear that often. In fact, even in the song Pretty Woman, he was seen wearing a white V-neck shirt that had a crisscross detail on the neckline, which he layered with a cardigan and wore with bright reddish orange cargo pants. His other looks included a lot of Henleys and light colored sweaters paired with either cargo pants, jeans or trousers. He was also seen wearing a lot of V-neck sweaters and t-shirts. Some of his other casual looks also included t-shirts worn with bright and colorful hoodies. In terms of his color palettes, he picked either purples and light colors, or he would go for monotone looks where he would wear white on white or black on black. He was also seen wearing light and casual linen shirts with linen trousers during the New York summers. For his footwear, he kept it classic with either open-toe sandals or a pair of sneakers and did not wear many accessories. So let me show you how you can recreate Aman's look. Let's call the model in. So as you can see, we've picked Aman's casual looks where he was often seen chilling in either cargo pants or jeans with a t-shirt and a hoodie. But of course, in sync with today's trends, we've kind of given it a little bit of a streetwear vibe where we've picked a pair of joggers over here. What's interesting is this little zipper detail around the knee of the jogger. So you can look for little hardware details like that to make your pair of joggers stand out. We've also given it that cool look by scrunching it up from one side. I've paired it with a white t-shirt because the color of the jacket is really loud. So I'd suggest to keep the color of the joggers and the t-shirt a little bit more muted. This red hoodie over here just adds that pop of color and vibrance that Aman had in his personality. We've of course finished the look with a pair of classic sneakers. These ones are a little chunkier, so it adds that whole streetwear vibe to the look again. So that's how you can dress like Aman in sync with today's trends. I'll see you next time. Bye!
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.